Ladies and gentlemen, this is Keith from iRepair Autos. Today is the announcement of the giveaway to the lucky subscriber. I promised I'll send one out, but guess what? I got 3 that I'll be sending out to the 3 subscribers that commented in the video with the code from the end of last week's video. So you have 24 hours to respond. And the lucky 3 winners are Alan Bird, Boxing Brain 187, and Ill Wills. You got 24 hours to respond. I'll send one out to you ASAP. Respond to me. In this video, I'll also reach out to you as well with a message. I need your mailing address, and I'll get these out. These are not affiliated with me in any way. I purchased these out of my own pocket because I love you guys. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace. 24 hours to subscribe. And last week I did Bluetooth install, showing you how module for a crap. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.